we offer daily tours of some of the most celebrated Starfleet vessels to have ever ventured among the stars. Our staff is dedicated to preserving and restoring Starship history. And today, you will have the chance to step aboard one of the finest vessels that Starfleet has ever produced. The USS Enterprise NCC 1701D. Originally under the command of Captain Jean-Luc Picard, we've been implementing several accommodations to the Enterprise D to help meet the needs of museum visitors, including assigned group zones and increased capacity on turbolifts. A shuttlecraft is waiting for you up ahead, fueled and ready to fly you here to the Fleet Museum and onto the Enterprise D. On behalf of Starfleet and the United Federation of Planets, we hope that your tour of the Enterprise D will inspire a future among the stars. Enjoy your visit.
Approaching Federation Fleet Museum.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard. Please continue all the way down, filling in all available space. Attention, shuttle bay. Wonderful. Just gather around everyone, and welcome aboard the Enterprise D. Just look at that view. Space, the final frontier. It really is something, isn't it? Hey, does anyone recognize that starship docked over there? It's Kirk's Enterprise. And as we learned back in Starfleet Academy, it was one of the greatest Constitution-class ships ever to go home. What's that?
Proximity alert. Unknown entities.
What is that? Okay, everyone, please stay behind the yellow safety line and remain calm. You're all doing great. Whatever that thing is, just hold still to keep it up. Computer! Oh!
Warning. Anomaly detected in shuttle bay 3.
I think we're under attack. I'm not sure where to, Oh, a sick bay. There's one just up ahead. We should be safe there. Follow me. This way, everybody. Ensign. I didn't know where else to take them. Excuse me. Shuttle bay to bridge.
Listen, my apologies. This is not part of the performance. Stay with your group and figure out what's going on, all right? Go figure. All of this old tech and none of it works correctly. Computer, scan and identify the energy signature of this interference. Is it isolated to this area or...
Negative. Anomaly present on decks 12 through 15, 16, 17.
How is that even possible?
Attention all decks. Yellow alert.
Yellow alert? Okay, whatever this thing is, it is on the move. Sick bay to engineering?
Unable to complete transmission.
Sorry, something's interfering with my combat. Alright, you know what? I'm going to send you all straight through to engineering. If anybody can figure this thing out and get systems back online, it's them. Head straight through this corridor, alright? Do not wait and stick together. Sick bay to bridge. Computer, acknowledge. Quickly, go. We are in yellow alert.
Please don't touch anything. We're engineers. We'll figure this out. Our tour group should not be in here.
Doesn't matter, they're here now.
What is this thing?
Whatever it is, it's spreading to nearly every system on the ship.
Can you find a way to slow it down?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Access denied.
This thing keeps locking me out. The system's override. Oh, we
door. Please, step away from the warp door.
Stand back. We can't contain it.
This is not good.
We're in red alert. Engineering to bridge. Engineering to bridge.
Are your comms not working?
They're not down. They're out. We've lost all communication. Does everyone have a group?
Computer, do you read?
The turbo lift.
Yes.
The turbo lift. Go to the turbo lift. Move as quickly and as safely as you can. Stay together. Do not let anyone get left behind.
This is not a drill. We'll be right behind.
Go.
Quickly now. Don't leave anyone behind.
This entire group needs to be evacuated on this ship immediately.
Let's go. Watch the doors. Is that everyone? Yes. You guys all right? Yes. Anyone injured? No. Okay. We'll be on our way very soon. This is not how your tour was supposed to go. Something's in control of the ship and I don't know what's going on. Okay. Computer, take us to the transporter room now. Computer, emergency override. Access code Gamma 1492. Respond now. Take us to the transporter room. It's not responding. Come on. Everything's frozen. This is Turbo Lift 1 to engineering. Turbo Lift 1 to engineering. My turbo lift is malfunctioning. Still offline. We're actually moving. All right. I'm as surprised as you.
Transport. Access denied. Rerouting.
Rerouting. Okay, now we're not going the right direction. That is it. No. These drills were very different at Starfleet Academy, I'll tell you. Come on. It's all offline. Computer, where are you taking us? What direction are we going in right now? Bridge.
Bridge.
All right.
Bridge.
Can't get you to the transport. The bridge will have to do. They'll know what to do. We will get you off this ship.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, keep moving. We need everyone onto the bridge. Please keep moving. These consoles have been malfunctioning. Please keep an eye on those as well. But we need everyone off the bridge. Please keep moving. Please keep moving. Are you all okay? Stay where you are. We're getting through this together.
Engineering, do you read me?
Nobody was probably locked out. What do we do? Hit the central torpedo on site. Right here.
Negative, nothing is responding. We're completely locked out.
Transaction request confirmed. Establishing comms.
What? Who's doing that?
An entity. It is accessing the ship's universal translator.
Stand by for incoming transmission.
Greetings. We mean you no harm. We apologize for your concern. We were curious fascinated by your kind.
Computer, scan and identify me.
There is currently no entry for this life form in the Federation database.
What?
You too were born of the stars. You will be remembered until next we meet.
Did we just make first contact? Yes, we need to report this to Starfleet Command.
First, let us get all of you to the transport. Bridge to transport. Sending a tour group your way.
Alright, everyone, you're gonna head across the
Exit
transporter.
bridge.
Move along, my friends. Let's make the transporters. Safe moving, everyone.
Oh, sorry.
Welcome home, travelers. You're back safe on planet Earth. Welcome.